Okay, children. The question, good afternoon to all. Good afternoon. Okay, good afternoon. Some persons still to come. Okay. Good afternoon. So we have explained, we have done that question. Tire manufacturer company kept a record of the distance covered before a tire needed to be replaced. I'll read that question. Do you have the question with you?
Ma'am.
Okay. So I'll read the question. A tire manufacturing company kept a record of the distance covered before a tire needed to be replaced. Okay. That did you understand the meaning? That is, there is a company, tire manufacturing company. They kept a survey and kept a record of the tire, a number of tires which is replaced before it cover certain kilometers. Okay, and the table is given distance in kilometer. Will you turn on your videos, all of you? So distance in kilometer, one table is given distance in kilometer, and next one is given that frequency. Frequency means it is tires given, no? So number of tires. Okay, children, so first table, first column contains like this: less than 4,000, less than 4,000 means less than 4,000 kilometers. How many tires replaced? 20 tires replaced. Then 4,000 to 9,000, how many tires replaced?
210.
210. Okay. Then 9,001 to 14,000, how many tires?
125.
325. Then more than 14,000, how many tires more than 14,000? 445. Now we have to answer the following questions. If you buy a tire of this company, what is the probability that? And the first question is, it will need to replace to be replaced before it has covered 4,000 kilometers. So before 4,000 kilometers, less than 4,000 kilometers, what is the probability that the tire is replaced? So you take that column only belongs to that less than 4,000. So which column you will take?
First column.
The first column, less than 4,000, how many tires are replaced?
20.
20 tires, 20 tires. And probability means we have to write that 20 divided by total. So how many cases are there total?
1,000.
1,000. So that is the first answer. So I will write the answer. Okay, children, did you write the answer? You did not write any of the answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
None of the answers you wrote?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I explained, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So we'll start writing the answer. Wait, let the board come. Okay, so first answer we start writing. First one, the probability of tire. First one, probability of tire is replaced before 4,000 kilometers. Before 4,000 kilometers. Before 4,000 kilometers equal to the particular value is 20 divided by 1,000. So there are 3 zeros and number is only 20. Number is only 20. So only two places 20, and there are 3 places in this division. 3 places, 3 zeros. So we need 3 places when you divide, but there are only 2 places. So you put a 0 after the decimal point, before that number. This is the answer, 0, 2, 0. 0.020, or you can write 0.02. Both are correct, because after that number, if any 0 comes, it is no value for it. Okay, children, this is the first question. Did you understand this? Did you understand, all of you?
Ma'am, no. I have doubt.
Who is that? Yes, Usha?
I have doubt.
Yes, yes, ask.
Why is it 0.020?
Isha, do you know division of numbers with the 1,000, 10,000, etc.?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, see, listen. If it is 5 by 10, just look at tens, how many zeros are there? Okay. How many zeros are there?
1.
1 0. So look at the place. How many places is there in 5? One place. So no problem. We can write 0.5. But if it is 5 by 100, look at that 100 zeros. How many zeros?
2.
2 zeros. But here only 5 has only one place. Okay. We need, after the decimal point, 2 places. Clear? After the decimal point, you need 2 places. But here only one place. So what to do? What to do?
0.5.
0.05. Okay. Now 26.8 divided by 10. What is the answer? How many places decimal point you have to shift? Left side. Shift decimal place point to left side. Look at 10.
2.
Look at 10. How many zeros are there?
1.
So how many places you have to shift it to left
One.
side? One place. So what is the answer?
2.68.
2.68. Clear? Again, wait. One question. 26.8 divided by 10. What is the answer? How many places you have to shift? Yes? Tell me how many places?
1.
So what is the answer?
2.68.
2.68. You know already. Then second one, 26.8 divided by 100. How many places you have to shift?
2.
100 zeros you have to see. How many zeros? 2
Two.
zeros. So how many places?
2
2
places.
places to shift to left side. Is there enough place for shifting?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. What is this, Isha? Before decimal places, how many places are there? Before the decimal point?
1.
2.
2 places are there. See, here 100 you have to see how many zeros are there in 100. This is 6th standard portion. Okay. So 100, how many zeros are there?
2 zeros.
2 zeros. So when you keep the decimal place, when you keep the decimal point, you have to shift 2 places to left side. Okay. It is 26.8 to 26.8, but you have to shift 2 places. So what is the answer?
0.268.
0.268. Now, if it is 26.8 divided by 1000,
Ma'am, 3 places.
how did you understand? Because look at 1000 zeros. How many zeros are there?
3 zeros.
3 zeros. See, so we have to shift how many places to left side?
3.
3 places. Just look at left side, how many places are there?
2
Two.
places.
2 places. So is there you need 3 places, but it is only 2 places. So for equalizing, how many zeros you have to put?
1
One.
0.
1 0. So what is the answer?
0.0268.
0.0268. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Now next our question. I have 20 by 10. What is the answer? 20 by 10? It is simply 2. But if it is 20 by 100, it is equal to 2 by 10, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
0.020.
Point.
0.
How many places?
2 bases.
How many places in 10?
1
2 by 10. How many places in 10?
1 place, ma'am.
1.
So what is the answer here? 0.2.
Point
Yes.
2.
Now it is 2 by 100. What will you do?
0.02.
0.02. Clear? If it is 2 by 1000, 3 places needed, but only 1 place is there. For equalizing, how many zeros you have to put? 2 zeros. So it is 0.002. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the basic things of divisions. Did you understand now?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, children. So this is decimal place division. Okay, dears. So here, just look at here. Look at here, our old question.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at here. And what did you understand from this? Here
Uh,
only 2 places. Here we need 3 places. So what to do?
Ma'am, we will add two zeros.
No.
1 0, 1 0.
Only 1 0. So our answer is 0.020. And this zero has no value because, see children, 2.00. Is there any value for this? 2 rupees. Rupees 2.00. What is the meaning of that?
Rupees.
Rupees 2. Rupees 2. That is after decimal place. This side, right side. After the number right side, if you add so many zeros, no value for it. So you can cut that zero. The answer is 0.20 only. Clear? Or, sorry, answer is 0.02 only. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And now we will do the second question. Write fast.
Ma'am, why the last zero is not there in that 0.02?
Mone, that is why I explained now. See here. Look at here.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at here. You have rupees 2 with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Rupees 2. So, rupees 2. Point 0.000. Is there any value?
No, ma'am.
So it is equal to rupees 2 itself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you put 0.3, if you add so many zeros here, value is 0.3 itself. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
1 0 if you do not add, 0.3 will be the answer itself. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
But
ma'am.
if there is a 1, that value, there is value for 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But if you add 1 0 at last, no value for that. It is 0.301 only. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll do the second question. And what is the second question? Second question is,
It will last
more than 9,000 kilometer. More than 9,000 kilometer. So look at the table. Look at the table. More than 9,000 kilometer. More than 9,000 kilometer. So table. Yes. Table, there are less than 4,000. Okay. Then 4,000 to 9,000. Will you take all those? Every value will you take? All values?
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
So more than 9,000 means how many values will you take? More than 9,000?
Value.
Last two boxes.
Last two box. Okay. That is 9,001 to 14,000 and more than 14,000. Last two boxes only needed here, applicable here. So more than 4,000 means we'll take last two boxes. So we'll write the answer. Okay. Second question's answer. Probability of tire will last more than 4,000 kilometer, more than 4,000 kilometer. So what you will do is you should add these numbers to last two boxes
Ma'am,
only.
4,000 or 9,000?
9,000. Sorry. It is 9,000. Sorry, 9,000. So last two boxes. What is the answer? Which are the boxes? Numbers in the boxes.
325,
325 plus
445,
400.
45,
445. And divided by what? Divided by
1,000.
Now look at here. Will you add that point 325 and 445? What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? When you add?
770, 170,
Tell the answer.
770,
770 by 1000. Isha, will you tell the answer of this?
Ma'am, 0.770.
0.770. Clear? Because all three places are there. 770. Is it clear now?
yes, ma'am.
Now we will move to the last question. Third question. What is third question? Will you please read?
It will need to be replaced after 4,000.
No, 4,000 kilometer between
It has covered some
distance 4,000 kilometer
4,000 kilometer and
and
14,000.
14,000 kilometers. Between 4,000 kilometers and 14,000 kilometers. So lower limit is 4,000 and upper limit is 14,000. So how many columns, how many boxes will you take? Between 4,000 and started from 4,000 and below 14,000. Below 14,000.
Second and third box.
Above 4,000 and below 14,000. So
Second and third.
second and third column only. More than 14,000 will you take?
No,
No. So what are the columns? Please check what are the answers. Probability of tire, 1 minute. Probability of tire replaced between 4,000 kilometer and 14,000 equal to
2010 and 325.
only. So 210 plus
210.
210 plus 325 divided by 1000. And what is the answer?
535.
535 by 1000. And what is the answer? Tell me.
0.535.
0.535. Same place decimals are there. Same places are there for put the decimal point. 3 places. Enough 3 places. Enough and correct 3 places are there. Okay. So did you understand the question?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you. Now I send one question in the WhatsApp now. Will you write that question now?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, will you write the question fast? Anyone wrote it earlier? Those who did not write can write it now fast. An insurance company, isn't it? Isn't
Ma'am.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Insurance company selected 2000 drivers because the question is so long, and if I start writing on this in this board, it will take time. Okay, children. So write it fast, Roland.
Yes, ma'am.
Roland, just now I sent no.
Yeah.
That second question. An insurance company. Nasil. Nasil.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write it. Nasil. Okay. Yes, yes. Write it. Noble. What happened? You came late? Okay, okay. An insurance company selected 2000 drivers at random. That is without any preference of one driver over another in a particular city to find the relationship between the age and accidents. Rohan Raj, sitting simply there. You will not write? Yes, Rohan. You are telling something, but I cannot hear. You completed already. Roharaj. Roharaj, I cannot hear anything. Unmute. Rohan, what is happening? Will you give a message in the chat box? Children, can you hear anything what Rohan is telling?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Aaron, Vishnu, Sheda, Shifana, turn on your videos, children. Is there any problem with the network? I cannot do anything, but okay, children. Now, shall I explain the answers?
Ma'am, 1 minute that question that first, second. Tables down on question that.
Okay. Okay. So let me explain the question. Okay, children. Okay. Let me explain the question, what is given in the question. Actually, it is an insurance company selected 2000 drivers. How many drivers are there? Total cases? 2000. Total cases are 2000 drivers at random. Random means without any preference. You are selected without any order. And in a particular city, to find a relationship between age and accidents, age of drivers and the accidents met by them, and the data obtained as given in the following table. Okay, children. So, how many age limits are given there? 18 to 29. Most of the young drivers, 18 to 29.
30 to 50.
0 accidents. 1 accident, 2 accident, and 3 accidents, and over 3. So the columns are given like that: 0 accident, 1, 2, 3 accidents, and over 3, more than 3. 18 to 29, 440, 160, all those things. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, Fisan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And we have to find the following probabilities. Being 18 to 29 years of age and having exactly 3 accidents in 1 year. So 18 to 29 age, only that column you have to look at. 18 to 29 age. No need of writing everything, just to give the particular number only. Okay. So just to see the particular number only. So 18 to 29, 18 to 29, and exactly 3 accidents. Exactly 3 accidents. So which is the corresponding number? Exactly 3 accidents. Look at down 3 accidents. 3, number 3, that column only. 18 to 29, that row. Row is 18 to 29 and exactly 3 accidents. One particular number. Which is that number?
1110.
110. That is exactly 2 accidents, 3 accidents. Which is the number down of 3?
61.
61 only. 61. Only one number. 61. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is exactly 3 accidents means only look at the number down that 3. So 3 by Sorry, 61 by total cases how many?
3,000.
Fisan, I'll give you
2000.
nicely.
2000.
Oh. What is the cases? Is it 2000 or 3000, Fisan?
Total number of driver.
How
That
much it is?
2,000.
2000. You are sitting in the darkness.
Okay.
Okay. So 2000 cases. So 61 by 2000 is the answer. Okay, children? Yes, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Only that particular number you have to take. Next one is the number of drivers 30 to 50 years age. 30 to 50 years age. Which column it is? Second column. Second row. 30 to 50 years age and having one or more accidents. One or more. What is the meaning of one or more? One and more than one. So how many values you have to take?
Last 4 boxes.
Boxes. That is one accident, more accidents. So one accident plus 2 accidents, 3 accidents and more than that. So 4 boxes you have to take and that column is 30 to 50. So how will you add, how many values you have to add? 30 to 50, row is 30 to 50 and what are the values you have to add?
125.
125 plus
60.
1 accident, 2 accident, 3 accident and more than 3. So 125 plus 60 plus 22 plus 18. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Divided by 2000. Next one. The number of drivers having no accidents in 1 year. No accidents. Number of drivers having no accidents in 1 year. No accidents means which column will you take?
0.
0.
First.
0. This one you have to add column wise downwards because 0 accidents. How many drivers are there who did not meet any of the accidents? Okay, number of drivers which drivers have 0 accidents. So only the column in that 0 one column is there, no? So you have to add column wise downwards. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So 0 accidents, that column you have to add downwards. That means you should take 440, 18 to 29, 440, 30 to 50, 505, and above 50, 360. So 3 numbers, column wise you have to add downwards. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll start writing the first question onwards. First question, probability of drivers 18 to 29 age, 18 to 29, right? 18 to 29
Ma'am.
old, having exactly 3 accidents, having exactly 3 accidents. Answer is 61 by 2000. Now children, look at here, all of you look at here. It is 61 by 2000. 61 by 2000. How will you simplify this? 61 by 2000. Listen all of you. Listen all of you, stop writing. Stop writing all of you. We have to simplify this, okay? I'll teach one method of simplification very easily. Clear, children? Here, this 61 by 2000, no, 2000. That 2000 we can write as 2 into 1000. Did you understand? What is 2000?
2 into 1000.
2 into 1000. Now, we should divide cut short this 2 and 61. We should divide, cut short, cancel this 2 and 61. 2 and 61. This is an easy method of cancellation. 2 and 61 you have to cut short. That means divide 61 by 2. Divide 61 by 2. Okay, children? 61 and 2. 61 divided by 2 it is. So we have to divide 61 by 2. So how will you divide? I have written on the board. How will you divide 61 by 2? 3? Tell
2
me.
3
6.
point
0. Bring down 1.
1
You cannot get an answer. So put a 0 there. And 10.
point
30.5, right? What is the half of 61? What is half of 61? Half of 61. 60's half is 30. So 61's half is 30.1. So we will get the answer as 30.5. Now that 1000 is remaining, you know how to divide, you know how to put the decimal point when 1000 is given.
yes ma'am.
So what is the answer of this 30.5 divided by 1000? 0.0305. Clear?
Yes.
So very easily we calculated the answer. Okay. Now I'll write the second question's answer. Second question is probability of P of probability of drivers 30 to 50 years old having one or more accidents. One or more accidents. So 125 plus 60 plus 60 plus 22 plus 18 by 2000. So you got the answer as 225 by 2000. 225 by 2000. Okay, children. Will you simplify this? I'll continue in the next period. Next class.
Okay.
Okay. So it's time to wind up the class. Okay, children, I'll continue this in the next period. Or I'll send the answer to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
children. And bring your activity. Monday. Last day is Monday. Okay.
Okay.